Hello, friends. I am so excited about this. I mean, I put so much work into this, but it is great. Okay, so I don't want to waste your time. So if you are not interested in tools to make your investing simpler, or if you don't want to be a patron of this channel and you are here only for the analysis of the companies and portfolios and some educational videos, then I totally get it. This video is not for you. In the next video, we will be back with the usual stuff. But if you want to see something cool, if you want to make your investing simpler and you also find value in my videos and want to support my work, then stick around because this is something else. So, as some of you may remember, the first stock ranking was just a PDF with all the data. Then it became a spreadsheet in which you could actually sort companies by all the metrics. Then a Pro version came in which you also got all the different scores for all companies. And the ranking is growing so much that pretty soon we should see 100 companies in it. Well, today I can announce a next huge step in the development of the stock ranking. From now on, you can not only sort all the companies, but you can easily filter them in any way you want to. So, for example, you want to filter only companies that can pay their debt in under a year. And let's say that the revenue growth has to be greater than 20%. And then you can sort them in any way you want to. For example, we want to have the cheapest company at the top. And if you want to learn more, then just click video and watch my analysis of this company. So that makes this first step of finding a company that is currently nicely priced and has some interesting fundamentals super easy. But that is just the basic version of the ranking, and it is great, but the real fun begins when we open the Pro version. Now we have all the scores for all the companies, so we can sort them or filter them to see which companies have the best growth or the best dividends. But we also get this company overview, in which we can at a glance see what are the strong and weak points of any company. So it's really easy to find a company that looks interesting. And when we find such a company, we can make the next step. We open it for more information. We get this card with all the data that are in the ranking, but also we can read a description of the company and look through the graphs that show the growth of revenue, free cash flow, earnings per share, and dividends in the last years. So in no time, we can see the trends. We can assess, is the company stable or is it very cyclical? Are there any surprising changes in the last year or two, and so on. So we get extra info to help us decide, do we want to spend more time analyzing this company, understanding its industry and its business? And if we like what we see, then we are just one click away from its investor relation page. So now, if you want to get all the details, you just click on the link and can start your deep work. But that is still not all. We can also hide and show any columns we want, and we can actually change the view to gallery. And now every company is a separate card with just the essential informations: name, price, value difference that tells us how much under or overvalued this company currently is, and its overall score. We can open those cards to get more info, and just as with the ranking, you can filter and sort companies in any way you want to. I am super excited about this update. I put so much work into it and I was testing and using it for the last month and it is great. So if you want to get your hands on it, head over to our Patreon page. The lowest tier gets access to the basic version of the ranking, medium and high tiers get access to the pro version and also the dividend ranking, which helps you find best dividend investments currently. Also, you will not have to wait the whole month for updates. Both rankings will be updated constantly every time I make a new analysis. It will show up in the ranking. So straight after watching a new video, you can go to the ranking and compare this new company to all the others. Also, the prices of the companies will be updated more frequently. As a Patreon, you will get a link to a specific ranking and this link should not change. So you can just save it on your browser or in your notes. But every month I will change the password to the ranking and you will be able to find it as a new post on our Patreon page. So you get all those new features and possibilities, but the price stays the same as it was with the old spreadsheet version. I can't wait for your feedback on it. If you have any ideas on how to improve it or what should be in the next version of it, then please let me know. Thank you so much for all your support. I hope that tools like that can, at least in some small way, show my gratitude for your help and support in creating and growing this channel and all that goes with it. The link to the tools is in the description. Thank you so much and see you in the next one.